Hello guys, welcome to our channel Kids SS Talent. Today we are going to show you how to solve the third line of the Rubik's Cube. Let's start. First we must do the plus sign here. To do the plus sign there is a trick. We must follow that trick. This trick is like this. We must do it like this. And join this here. Till the plus sign comes, you should repeat this process. The process is down, remove this and do it up, and remove this one and join this again. As it done, you must do it repeatedly. So when till then we will do, then it will come. I am doing it again. I think the plus will come. It's not come again. See, it has came. It must be like this. And here the part must be extra and this one must be there. These are the main. Now we must do the second process. It is right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down. And the full Rubik's Cube is done. But these parts are not done. You must do it. To remove, you must remove this and do that same process again. You must do up, left, down, left, down. Okay. Now we must do this process again. Right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down. See, it's not came again. It must come like this. Only one part has came. These are not came. Till every part must become like this. Till then we must do this process continuously. Okay, we will do again. Up, left, down. Okay, it came like this again. We must do this. Up, right, down, right, up, right, down. Again it not came. Must do it again. Not came again. We must do in another side too. I'm doing another side. Not came again. I'm doing again and again. It's not coming. Not came. Not came. It took sometimes more time. Not came. Not came again. It's again not came. It travels sometimes like this. And now it came. See, it's done like this. Yeah, it's full. Now we must do this opposite side. We must do this process. This trick is the important trick. We must do up, right, up, left, up, right, down, down. And the Rubik's Cube is fully solved. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. To get our latest notifications, click the bell icon given. Bye bye.